Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over new clearance markdowns, new penny list, and new glitches for this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded one other video for you all earlier today going over all the new coupons, new glitches. We have tons of them, plus we have overage. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, let's go ahead and jump into our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. Keep in mind that these prices will not change until Tuesday, October the 31st. So first up, for our new clearance markdowns, we have select as seen on TV items going down to 10% off starting on Tuesday, October the 31st. And here's a look at all the items that are included in this category. First up, we have the flip top desk and cup holder. We also have the Big Bang Bubble Blaster, normally priced at $20. We also have the Kitty Round and Round cat toy. These are normally $20. We also have the Arctic Air portable air cooler. These are normally $20. Here we have the Instabright pull lights. I actually found some of these on clearance at Walmart, and these are so neat, and they come in handy for everything. Now, next up, we have the Dancing Tiki Lights 2 count, normally priced at $15. We also have the Zap Guard Bug Zapper, normally priced at $12. We also have this little Tech Caddy floating wall shelf, normally priced at $10. Also included, we have the as seen on TV backseat butler organizer, as well as the 6-foot 2 count Seal It silicone insulation. And last but certainly not least, we have the Easy Ice Maker or Ice Genie, normally priced at $10. The UPC codes are on your screen. All right, guys, now we're going to move on into our penny list for this week at Dollar General. And please keep in mind that these prices will not change until Tuesday, October the 31st. Now, also, don't forget that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. So all you need to do is go into your local Dollar General store, look for the items that I'm going to show you in this video. If you find them, scan them with your Dollar General app. Make sure that you have your correct store location set, because as with all clearance and penny lists, your miles may vary. If the item scans and it shows up as 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. And if anybody needs the penny policy, it is posted over on the community tab. So first up, we have the Tough Stuff Bone by Bully Bone Super Chew. UPC code is on your screen. We also have the Nutra Chomps Dog Treats Chicken Flavor. And then we also have the Temptations Mix Up Cat Treats Surfer's Delight Flavor. These are in a 3-ounce pouch. And again, the UPC codes are on your screen. Now, this week is a special week at Dollar General because we have a bonus clearance list and we also have a bonus penny list. However, these prices will not change until Wednesday, November the 1st. So, for our new clearance markdowns, we have the Halloween seasonal items going down to 25% off starting on Wednesday, November the 1st. We also have the Halloween socks going down to 25% off, as well as the Halloween candy. And again, please do not forget that these prices will not change until Wednesday, November the 1st. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the penny list for this Wednesday, November the 1st. And we are going to have the Halloween stick balloons going down to 1 penny, again, starting on Wednesday. So here's a look at some of the pictures that I took for us in store. And we have a total of 4 stick balloons that are included. The UPC codes are on your screen. And I did find 3 of the 4 stick balloons with these UPC codes. And since we're on the topic of Halloween, you guys let me know, what are your plans for Halloween? Let me know down in the comment section below. Now, y'all don't click off of this video just yet. No, we are not done because we still have a couple of glitches to talk about. And like I said before, if you missed my video from earlier today, make sure that you go and check it out. We have tons of other glitches, we have freebies, and we have overages. So go and check out that video. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at these deals. So this morning, we received this new DG Store coupon. It is $3 off when you purchase $10 worth of Hershey's holiday candy. Right now at DG, we have select bags of Hershey's holiday candy priced at $3.75, and they are on sale. Buy two, get one for free. So if we were to do this deal normally without any glitching going on, we would pick up 6 bags. After the coupon, we're paying $12 for 6 bags. Not a bad deal at all. But this coupon is glitching. However, fair warning, guys, I have not tried this at any of the registers yet. I did not have time to go to the store today, so I did put it in as a pickup order, and everything worked out fine as a pickup order. So if you guys try this deal in store at the registers, please come back and let us know how it worked out for you in the comment section down below. And don't forget those important details like what kind of register you went to. Old, new, or self-checkout. So like I said, this coupon is glitching. If you add 3 bags of the Hershey's holiday candies priced at $3.75 each, add 3 of them to your cart, that's going to put you at $11.25. It is applying the sale and the coupon. So that's going to leave us paying $4.50 for all 3 bags. So this is a fantastic deal, and don't forget that you guys can mix and match if you would like to. Now, we're going to talk about a second deal that you could do with this digital coupon, but keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. But again, you can mix and match and make it work for you. So here we have the Reese's Peanut Butter Trees. These are normally priced at $1.25 each, but this week they are on sale 2 for $2. So if we were to do this deal the normal way, going by the sale price, that means that we would have to pick up a total of 10 Christmas trees, and then the coupon would apply, so that would leave us paying $7 for 10 of the Reese's Christmas trees. However, like I said, this coupon is glitching, and in the app it's picking up the regular price and then applying the sale and the coupon together. So if you want to pick up a total of 8 of the Reese's Christmas trees, that is going to put you at $10. The sale and the coupon will apply, so that's going to leave you paying $5 for 8 of the Reese's Peanut Butter Trees. Alright guys, so there you have it, our new clearance markdowns, our new penny list, and a couple of new glitches. And like I said, make sure that you check out the video that I posted earlier today for even more crazy deals. And y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because DG is absolutely on fire this week. We have so many deals to talk about. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Happy Halloween, everybody. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.